In this video you will learn how to use and configure the analysis workflow. The analysis workflow is a multipurpose tool that can be individually configured. You can use it for both qualitative as well as quantitative evaluations. The analysis workflow is the best choice if there are no matching predefined workflows for sample analysis, or if various manipulations and advanced evaluations must be performed. Start the workflow via the Analysis button on the home screen. The first page is for the background measurement. Use the Help button for additional instructions. With the gear wheel icon, you can modify the user interface. When you click on it, you have the possibility to configure background scans and resolution fields. Visible means that the field is visible and its contents can be changed. With Read Only, you can see the value, but you cannot change it. Hidden will completely hide the selected element. Finally, click on Save to confirm your changes. Now we start the background measurement by selecting Measure Background. After the background measurement, you can see the sample measurement page, which again can be modified by using the gear wheel icon. We now place the sample on the ATR crystal. Again, you can view additional information via the Help button. If the preview spectrum is acceptable, we can start with the measurement. After the measurement, you can see the result spectrum. You can use your fingers or Control key plus mouse wheel to zoom in. At the bottom you can see the toolbar with different functions. Many of these function buttons will offer additional options when a long touch is performed. For instance, a long touch on the Library Search button will give us the possibility to change the active libraries and to configure the search parameters. A short touch will simply run the function with the last used parameters. Finally, we can add additional functions to the toolbar by selecting Toolbar Editor from the upper right corner. Click on Add to select an additional function. And then OK. The changes will be visible immediately. With Next Sample, you can measure the next sample. If a new background is required, simply use the Background Measurement button to switch back to the background page. Now you know how to use and configure the analysis workflow.